2024 Best 600 Cubic Centimeters Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 650. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 650 emerges as a standout choice for beginners venturing into the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, offering a perfect blend of performance, user-friendly features, and the legendary Kawasaki reliability. Renowned for its versatility, sporty design, and accessible nature, the Ninja 650 stands as an ideal entry point for novice riders seeking an exhilarating yet manageable middleweight motorcycle. Powering the Kawasaki Ninja 650 is a responsive 649 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. Engineered for smooth and predictable power delivery, this powerplant strikes a balance between performance and approachability, making it well-suited for riders transitioning to a higher displacement class. The Ninja 650's throttle response ensures a confident riding experience, whether navigating city streets or carving through winding roads. Design-wise, the Ninja 650 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic aesthetic, reflecting its sport bike lineage. The bike features an aggressive front fairing, twin headlights, and a modern design that emphasizes both style and functionality. The Ninja 650's design not only communicates its sporty nature but also signifies Kawasaki's commitment to delivering motorcycles that are as visually appealing as they are thrilling to ride. Comfort is a key consideration for riders entering the middleweight category, and the Kawasaki Ninja 650 excels in this aspect with its rider-centric design. The bike's upright and comfortable riding position, along with a well-padded seat, contribute to an enjoyable riding experience, whether embarking on long journeys or tackling daily commutes. The Ninja 650's ergonomics strike a balance between sport-oriented and everyday comfort, making it accessible for riders of varying experience levels. Handling is a standout feature of the Ninja 650, characterized by its nimble and agile performance. The bike's lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and well-balanced geometry contribute to exceptional maneuverability. Novice riders will appreciate the Ninja 650's forgiving nature, allowing them to build confidence progressively while enjoying a stable and controlled ride in various conditions. Safety features are integrated into the Ninja 650, including a reliable braking system and advanced rider aids. Depending on the specific model and trim, features such as anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 may be included, enhancing rider control and safety, particularly in emergency braking situations. Affordability is a noteworthy aspect of the Ninja 650's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category without compromising on Kawasaki's reputation for quality and durability. This makes the Kawasaki Ninja 650 an attractive option for beginners seeking a reliable, versatile, and sporty middleweight motorcycle that seamlessly blends performance with everyday usability. In conclusion, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 650 stands as an excellent choice for beginners entering the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category. Its balanced performance, sporty design, and Kawasaki's commitment to rider-friendly features make it an ideal companion for riders eager to explore the capabilities of a middleweight sport bike, establishing the Ninja 650 as a top pick for those embarking on their thrilling two-wheel journey.